Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to show the poll details on the view poll details page in React application. With this, we will call give like to poll endpoint as well. So let's get started. Let me open here the React.js application. So I'm going to copy the code from the dashboard component where I'm going to copy this box tag. Let me add inside the view poll details component. So as you can see, the return statement on the top of this backdrop tag. Let me add here the box tag. Inside the box tag, we have the tag for grid. Let me import here box. After that, we have a condition where we have to check here if a poll is equals to undefined and loading state has true, then we have to show here this box tag where first we have a typography tag with an emoji, the second typography tag with the caption oops poll not found. So I'm going to import here typography. In case if a poll is not undefined, I'm going to update this condition where we have to check here poll. Inside this we have the tag for grid. Inside the grid we have the tag for card. Inside the card we have the tag for card header. Let me import this. Inside the card header we have a props avatar where we have the tag for avatar. Let me import this. On the avatar we are showing here the first character of the username of a poll owner. After the avatar props, let me remove here this action props. Second props that we have title where we have to show here poll dot username. Third prop that we have subheader where we have to show poll dot posted date. After the card header we have the tag for card content. Let me import this. Inside this we have a typography tag where we have to show the poll question. On the click of this poll question, we are navigating a user to a poll details page, but we are already on the view poll details page. So I'm going to remove this on click event. After the poll question, we are showing here the poll options. After the card content, we have the tag for card actions. Inside this, we are showing here the total vote count and the expiration of the poll. Now you can take a look of a box tag. Let's navigate to the browser. Let me open here the inspect. Let's go to the console. We are getting here the error blue is not defined. Let me import this. With this we are getting here the error movement is not defined. Let me import this. You're getting error paper is not defined. Let me import this. Let me add the import manually on the top. With this I'm going to import here card actions. Now we can see the poll details on this page. Now after that we have to show here the likes and the comments count. Let me minimize this. Now after the card actions tag, I'm going to add here the tag for divider. After the divider, I'm going to add here the tags for box and the grid. Let me add here the clothing tag for box. Now inside the grid, I'm going to add here the tag for grid where we have to show the comment count. So as you can see, the tag for grid. Inside this, we have the tag for grid container. Inside this, we have the tag for comment icon. After that, we have the tag for typography where we have to show the comments count. Let me put this comment icon on the top. Let's navigate to the browser. As you can see, we are getting here the comment count. After that, I'm going to show the like count. Let me minimize the comments count grid tag. On the top of this, let me add here the grid tag for likes count. So as you can see, the grid tag, first we are checking here if a poll is liked, then we have to show this icon. Otherwise, we have to show here favorite border icon, where on the click of this icon, we have to call here the function handle like click. Inside the argument of this, we have to pass here poll ID. On calling this function, we are calling here the endpoint give like to poll. After the icons, we have a typography tag where we have to show the likes count. Now on the top, I'm going to import these icons. So as you can see, the import. Now you can take a look of a view poll details component.